Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to upgrade Gmail storage in the USA. If you're running out of space, can't receive new emails, or want more room for Google Drive, Photos, and Gmail, this full guide for 2026 will help you expand your storage easily. First, open your browser and go to Google One at one.google.com. Google One is the official place to manage and upgrade your storage across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. Sign in with your Gmail account that you want to upgrade. Make sure it's the correct account, especially if you have multiple Gmail addresses. Once signed in, check your current storage usage. You'll see how much space is used and how much is left. This helps you decide which plan to choose. Click Upgrade or Buy Storage. Google One offers multiple plans from 15 gigabytes free to hundreds of gigabytes or even terabytes. Pick the plan that fits your needs. Next, enter your payment information. You can use credit, debit cards, or PayPal. Google securely processes payments so you don't have to worry. Review your plan and payment details, then click Upgrade or Buy. Once confirmed, your Gmail storage will be increased immediately. Go back to Google One or Gmail settings and check your storage. You'll see the new storage amount reflecting the upgrade. For US users, remember you can share your Google One plan with family members. Also, regularly monitor your storage usage to avoid hitting limits. And that's how to upgrade Gmail storage in the USA in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.